This bachelor thesis, conducted at Saab Ericsson Space AB, focuses on designing a satellite down converter for telephony applications. The primary objective was to develop an efficient down converter that converts a 2 GHz RF signal to a 200 MHz intermediate frequency. Key components involved include low noise amplifier, RF filter, mixer, if filter, and if amplifier. The down converter was built on a Droid substrate and processed by Cobra Company. All stages is then placed inside different boxes for shielding. IF filer design. FilPro is a program developed by students in Ph.D. at Middle East Technical University, Ankara, Turkey. FilPro is used for analyzing, synthesizing, and circuit transformation of microwave filters. 3 types of mics have been made: an LNA, a mixer, and an IF amplifier. The LNA features 3 amplifiers for optimal gain, with one being adjustable via control voltage of 0 to 3V. Transistor sizes are a balance of gain, input and output impedance. And power. A cold FET functions as a mixer by using LO frequency at the gate to modulate input resistance. The IF amplifier consists of 4 transistors, with difficulties in integration due to low frequency constraints. In conclusion, the down converter met performance expectations with higher than expected gain and good linearity. For future work, a multi-layer board is recommended, and if the down converter is mass-produced, a redesign of the IF amplifier with 50 ohms input impedance would improve ease of measurement. Thank you for your time. This bachelor thesis, conducted at Saab Ericsson Space AB, focuses